Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
Thank you Samsung for releasing the Samsung Galaxy S9. So it means now we can afford Samsung Galaxy S6. Wow. Thank you once again Samsung for releasing your Samsung Galaxy S9. Wow, it's amazing. So today we have another flagship smartphone from Samsung, which is Samsung Galaxy S6, which was for 2015. And should you still need to buy this smartphone in 2018 or not? Let's find it out in this video. First things first, the form factor. Aluminium frame with glass and more glass. The back and front is of glass with Corning Gorilla Glass 4. So let's talk about the display. It has a 5.1 inches Quad HD display which is super crispy to see and a Corning Gorilla Glass 4. To see the screen in sunlight is a little bit annoying because of Super AMOLED display, but it done its job best. So let's talk about the next feature, which is very important, chipset of this smartphone. It has a Exynos 7420 octa-core processor with a GPU of Mali MP8. It is shipping with Android 5.0.2 Lollipop, but you can update it to 7.0 Nougat, and it is also planned to upgrade to Android Oreo. So I do multitasking on this smartphone and I didn't feel any kind of stuttering in this smartphone. It can handle any kind of application easily. So many of the consumers want a great camera in this price range, and the camera performance of this smartphone is super. You can take brilliant pictures from this smartphone and shoot up to 4K, which is great in its budget. The rear camera is 16 megapixel with f1.9 aperture, and the secondary camera is 5 megapixel which shoots full HD video at 30 fps. The main thing, the fingerprint. So as we are living in 2018, so the security concerns are number one priority, and the fingerprint of this smartphone is responsive. So definitely it doesn't meet the standard of 2018 fingerprint sensors, but in this budget it is a very good smartphone which costs you around 17 to 19,000 depending upon the condition of the smartphone you bought. And I think this is the best in its budget, because many of the smartphones in this budget are coming with lack of sensors and storage options. So you can consider this smartphone in 2018. Here is the ending of this video. If we talk about the lack of this smartphone, for me it is a USB Type-C. It has a battery of 2550 mAh, charge rapidly, gives you an average battery time with 3 to 4 hours of battery usage. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, smash that like button. Comment down if you have any comment or thoughts regarding this smartphone, or any question or any suggestion regarding this video. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, have a nice day and peace.
Make him spicy, Papa.